Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you guys are new here, hi, my name's Tomar. I don't usually sound like this, but today I want to film an unedited day or morning routine. And yeah, I'm just gonna be filming my morning. It's actually my spring break, so this morning's gonna be super chill. I don't really have a lot planned at all. It's 7:56 and I like turned my alarm off and kind of woke up on my own, so it isn't really that bad, because usually I wake up at 7. So yeah, I'm just gonna take you guys through my morning, and I am gonna go brush my teeth and get rid of this morning voice, and then I'll talk to you guys when we get downstairs. But if you're not following me on my Instagram, you should follow me. If you're not subscribed, you should subscribe and like this video and watch to the end because it really helps my channel out. Alright, anyways, goodbye. I'm not even gonna lie, I just laid in bed for another 10 minutes after I ended that clip, but I'm getting up now. I swear I'm getting up, although I really don't want to. Oh shit, I just tripped on cord and I can't even edit that out. All right, great start to our morning. I'm gonna brush my teeth. Wow, okay, gotta go by. Okay, so I like to make lemon water in the morning. I think it does make a difference throughout my day, like when I'm eating. I don't get as hungry, and I don't know, I just like, you just feel a difference in your body. But I like to make hot lemon water, and usually I would like eat the lemon by itself, but I used to take this collagen by Vital Proteins. I used to do the blue one and put it in my coffee, but I didn't have any more and I wanted to try something different. I honestly don't like this one as much because I don't really drink juice, so it's hard for me to mix it with stuff. But I started putting it in my lemon water in the morning and it's not that bad. But I do recommend the Vital Proteins collagen because it's really nice. My hot water in the back is being super loud. And then my dad comes in and I can't edit any of this, you know? Okay, so I was trying to say downstairs that I like to drink my lemon water. I personally see a difference in myself. If you guys want to try it, you can. I feel like the exposure is really high. And yeah, I did it for a while last summer and I really liked the results. I honestly don't feel like I've been eating perfect over quarantine, but I definitely think the lemon water has helped with like bloating, stuff like that. And I'm gonna clean my room, guys. Look at my room, it's a disaster. Look at it, just an actual disaster. So these sheets are on the ground because I need to wash them, but someone else is doing laundry, so I had to wait. And I just need to like clean up. There's just a bunch of stuff that is not in the right place that I need to put back in its place. And but I wanted to talk to you guys really quick. I feel like there's so much I need to catch you up on because I haven't really vlogged. Honestly, because I just feel like people don't really care to watch the vlogs, so I just haven't really vlogged, but I feel like there's just so much I need to talk about because I haven't vlogged in so long. So got new glasses. I don't know if you guys really noticed. I talked about it in a haul. If you saw that, then you know. If you didn't see it, then you don't know. And then oh, I tie-dyed yesterday, and I actually, so this is the result of my tie-dyeing yesterday, or I did a reverse tie-dye, so it's, I used bleach instead of like actual tie-dye. I don't hate it, but I wanted a matching set, and I found a pair of shorts that were like a different brand, but like similar in color, but I didn't think about the fabric, and they both bleach pretty differently. Like this is what I got, and you can tell that this one bleached pink, whereas like what I have on like bleached into like this like light cream color. So I was really bummed about that, but I think I'm gonna try again. I actually vlogged everything and it just turned out so bad, and so I'm not posting that vlog. And then there was one more thing. Oh, I got the Revlon One Step dryer brush, the little round one, this thing, and I tried it and I don't really like it. I don't think it's as bad as I like made it seem, I feel like, on my Instagram, but it just like didn't give me volume. It didn't like give me like, I like a little bump at the end of my hair just because I don't like bone straight hair on me. I've never thought it looked good since I was little. So I didn't really like that because it didn't give me any body. So that was my only like flaw about it. I usually put rollers in my hair and set it, and I personally would probably go back to that instead of using that. So I think I'm gonna return it. And then I did my hair last night. It's like not a braid. I did like a little twist. I think it turned out really cute. So yeah, anyways, I'm gonna stop rambling. I just feel like I needed to like catch you guys up to speed on my life, what's been going on. And like I said, this morning's super slow just because I'm not in school and I'm thoroughly enjoying it, just doing my best to relax as much as I can, because if you guys don't know, I'm gonna be in school all summer long. So I'm soaking in all the time I have that I do not have to do anything school related. So gonna drink my lemon water and clean my room. I obviously would time lapse all of this, but I can't do that. So I'll just catch you guys up whenever I'm done. Okay, she's looking so much better. And I didn't show this in the vlog. This was the, if you watched my vlog with Jonathan, this is the hand mold that we made. It came out super well. And let me put it over here in the light. You can like see, actually that like didn't help at all, but you can kind of see that. You can see like wrinkles, and like you can see his like, or my nail bed, and like you can see everything. Just, I don't know, it came out a lot better than either of us had ever expected. So I just have it here. And you're probably confused. I have two Michelle Obama books because one is actually my cousin's. And I'm about to jump right back into bed. I have my heating pad because cramping, you know the drill. So I have my heating pad, and I'm just gonna sit and read my book for a little bit. I like to do it in the morning. I personally, it's like really hard for me to read at night, and you guys are probably wondering why it's taking me so long to read this book, because I've been reading it since I posted it in my last morning routine, and you guys are probably like so confused as to why it's taking me so long to read this book. But like I said, I'm not really a reader, and I was in school all of last week and the week before doing finals and stuff, so I didn't have time to just like sit and read for hours. And personally, I'm not really someone who likes to sit and read for hours. Like, I'd much rather watch a TV show or something. So the fact that I'm even reading it and the fact that I am as far in the book as I am is really just a blessing, and I have no one to thank but God. So yeah, don't come for me. But I'm gonna sit and read my book, and yeah, just chill, have a relaxing morning. What time is it? 8:34, so still pretty early. And at 10, Set Active is relaunching like 4 of their legging colors, and I've always wanted to try their sets. And I actually went on, they had like a Zoom call with Keaton Milburn the other day, and they gave us a like coupon code. So I'm gonna try and snag I'm gonna try and snag one of their sets in like a couple hours, so you guys will get to see me stress and try and get one of those. So that's all. So I just had breakfast, and now I'm about to make my coffee with some ice. And now I'm gonna make my coffee, switch out, do the smallest one. Okay, my straw. And I have been obsessed with this creamer. I showed it in another vlog. It's the So Delicious oat milk creamer. So I'm just gonna pour that in here. And I don't usually make iced coffee at home, but since it's been getting hot, I've been liking to make iced coffee. So just fill that up, put a little bit more. And this is my coffee for the morning. Okay, so I just had breakfast. I made eggs and bacon, but both of my parents are working from home, and so it gets super loud downstairs in the morning because they're on like conference calls and stuff. So if you notice in a lot of my videos when I vlog in the morning, I always have music over just because they're always on the phone, and I just feel bad. Like, I mean, I'm not gonna tell them to like shush, you know what I mean? Like, we're all coexisting in this household together. So I just made my coffee and had breakfast, and it's almost 10 o'clock. It's 9:38. So I am going to get my computer ready because I want this set so bad, and if it sells out, I'm gonna cry. So I'm just gonna sit and wait and hope that it comes, or I hope that it everything goes smoothly. Hopefully the website doesn't crash or anything. I've never ordered from their site before, so I really don't know how this is all gonna go, but I know that they are like a pretty popular brand, so we'll see. But just sitting on my bed with my blanket, and I need to grab my heating pad again, but yeah, that's it. I must say, if you are looking to cut down, this angle is like really bad, if you're looking to cut down your sugar intake with your coffee, I highly recommend this creamer. I have to have, like, I need my coffee to be sweet in some sense. I have stopped putting sugar in my coffee, but I just can't drink black coffee. But this creamer is actually pretty sweet, and I don't put anything else in it besides the creamer, and it tastes really good. It really tastes like a Starbucks coffee. So if you're looking for a new creamer, I highly recommend. And comment below some cold brews. I've got a few requests. I asked on my Instagram, and I got a few. It was like the I don't know how to say it. Let me see if I can find it. I got this recommendation, the stock coffee. Oopsies. Stock coffee. This one, got that one. And someone else told me to get, oh, my story's gone. I don't know how to say this. Chameleon cold brew, this one. Yeah. And the Califia Farms coffee. So if you have any other recommendations, you should comment them down below. I don't really buy coffee ever. Like, I don't really go to Starbucks and buy coffee. So I like to make my coffee at home. It just saves money. So recommendations would be highly accepted. But I have 15 minutes before the set drops, and I'm so excited. I hope that I can get it soon. I've kind of been lacking on the whole working out thing. I'm gonna work out tonight though. I've been working out in the evenings more now. I'm not someone who can really do like workout classes. It's never really been my thing. And I don't like HIIT workouts. I don't like I don't know what to call them, circuits. I hate circuits. So I personally just like lifting and cardio. I love to go for a run, stuff like that. So I love Olympic lifting. So I've been doing that. Jonathan's cousin has like a really old like barbell stuff inside of their garage, and so him and I will go lift in there, and they're not home most of the time that we go anyway, so we're not like contaminating anything. We're not really in their house at all. So that's what we've been doing to stay active during this break, but we have to drive over there, and so sometimes it's just like inconvenient. So I'll go for a run in my neighborhood, but lately I have been relaxing and just enjoying not having to stress about working out all the time. So yeah, that's my spiel. I guess I'll shut up now because I feel like this video is going to be so long since I can't cut out all of my rambly messes. But I hope you guys are enjoying this video, and this sweatshirt doesn't actually look that bad on camera, but I really hated it last night. I'm definitely going to try again. I don't know when, but I'm going to try and vlog it for you guys. So I could have sworn with the time change, it was only a 1 hour difference for Pacific Standard Time, but I guess not. I guess it's still a 2 hour difference. So it doesn't launch for another like hour. And I thought that it was gonna launch right now, but they actually put a like countdown on their website, and I went and looked and I was like, oh, I guess never mind. So I'm actually gonna do my makeup in the meantime, but obviously I can't time lapse through this, and it would take, this video would be way too long if I like sat here and filmed my makeup. So I'm not gonna film it. I'm gonna listen to a podcast. I really like JC Marie and why can't I think of her co-host's name right now? Let's see. Oh, and Chelsea. I really like their podcast, and right now I'm listening to like crazy proposal stories. So I'm gonna listen to their podcast and do my makeup, and then I'll talk to you guys obviously whenever they launch, and you guys can watch me stress and try and get this set. Okay, makeup is done, and I just laid down and finished that chapter that I was reading. And her book is really good if you've never read it. I just think the way that she articulates everything, the way that she like wrote everything, it's just a really good book. So now I'm going to try and see if I can get this set. I don't think it will be too hard, but you never know. So I guess I'll show you guys the set that I'm getting. Wow, that was loud. This is the set that I want. It's in the shade Stone. And I wanted to get something neutral. They have a bunch of like really pretty colors, but since this is my first time ordering from them, I wanted to get something neutral, and I don't really have that many neutral sets, believe it or not. So I'm gonna start neutral, and then we'll work our way up to some colors. Oh wow, it looks like they've already kind of come, some of them have already come on, so I added that to my cart. Let me see, they only have, I want to try and see if the tops are gonna restock too, or if it's just the leggings. I don't know, because it seems like, let's see. I think it's just the leggings. Okay, well I'm gonna have to get it extra small. Cause I just don't know if the other things are gonna launch. I'm gonna wait. Have a minute, 22 seconds, so hopefully. Okay, so this is the top that I got, and then obviously I got the leggings. So that was ordered, that was easy, not too bad. But I am gonna go ahead and end this video here. It's a very chill morning routine because it is my spring break. I'm just trying to enjoy the time that I have away from school, because I won't really have that much time away throughout the remainder of this year and next year. So I'm just soaking it all in, but I hope that you guys enjoyed this video nonetheless, and if you did, please do not forget to subscribe and follow me on my Instagram, because that helps me out so much. And if you guys want to leave a comment, any other videos you guys want to see, I have this entire week to film, so anything you guys want to see I can film. I'm like kind of thinking about daily vlogging throughout this week since I have the time, but I don't know, we'll see. If you guys like vlogs, please let me know down below, because I have been trying not to film too many of them, because I know that they're not your favorite videos to watch, but I love filming vlogs and I love editing them, but I obviously can't edit this one. But not gonna ramble too much. If you guys watched to the end, thank you so much for supporting me, and yeah, I guess I'll see you guys in my next video.